What's going on YouTube? Big Tito 111 coming at you with a quick video, quick unboxing. Super excited. Got my new batteries in the mail. So let's open it up, see what we got. Okay, got it out the box as you can see. Got the SMC Racing Lipo batteries. These are 4 cells. We're gonna get it out the box. Got my Castle 6.5 connectors. So let's see what we got. Okay, got them out the box. And as you can see here, got the SMC. These are the True Spec Extreme. Basically, these are the most powerful batteries they have, I believe. It's a 6,000 milliamp. And it's a 150C battery. And of course, we got 2 of them here. And like I said, these are the 4 cells. That's crazy because the highest milliamps that I've had was like just recently. I got some SMC 3 cells, and those are 5200s. But all my batteries before that were all 5000 milliamps. So that's pretty cool. 6000, and obviously high 150C. That's the highest I've had also. So I'm super excited to see what these batteries can do. I've seen a couple people. I've seen Tookie got some of these, and I want to say, what's his name? Mr. Mustang. I seen he had a video. He was running these also. So, and my 3 cells that I got, they're 90C, but they've been working out pretty good. Got some nice power to them. So, super excited to see what these are going to do. So I'm going to be running this in the big boy Audi, the FG, and see what it could do on 8S. And also I'm going to put these in that Typhon 3.0 GT and run it on 8S and see what we can do. So I'm going to get this started up. And yeah, we're going to have some 8S videos coming soon. Alright, so as always, appreciate you guys watching. And catch you in the next one.